just looks scary to me.
No, he's so good.
I'm so scared.
No, he's just coconut milk and stuff.
Welcome to the No Pressure Program.
It's pretty dope. Nice, it's quite long though, this is like.
Yeah. You know what else is quite long?
Tell me.
My train ride home. What were you thinking? Freaking nasty. You're nasty. You ever thought about scratching my back, me?
You suck!
That was a 4.
I take everything and I still stay awake. All my demons wanna pull me to my grave. I choose Vegas if they offer heaven's gate. I try to love, but you know I never stay. I never stay. But if I OD, I want you to OD right beside me. I want you to follow right behind me. I want you to hold me while I'm smiling, while I'm dying. And if you know me, when I go missing, you know where to find me. Driving down the boulevard is blinding. Always blinded by the desert lights, and I'm alive when love feel everything. You sleep so peaceful.
Been sick for a couple days. Aku sakit selama beberapa hari terakhir, but we're back now. We had the engagement party today. We had a little engagement, a little shindig today, which is pretty dope. I really don't feel like being social right now, but desperate times call for desperate measures. It's time to lock it in. You only get this once. I got my fan, I got my peeps. Whoa. Wow. One thing I can't say, I'm hungry as hell. What's up, my man? Panas. Membantu aku. Membantu aku. Help me. Yeah. Yeah. My channel is a mystery. I'm kidding.
Bahwasanya kita bisa dipertemukan dalam suasana yang jauh dekat dari keluarga Sidoarjo dan keluarga Bapak Ibu. Dia juga sholawat dan salam kita panjatkan kepada insyaallah maju
Nanti mana juga Pak? Daerah Magetan kan? Misalnya banyak di daerah.
Say hi. What do you want to say to the people of YouTube and my fans at America?
Wow. In Indonesian.
No,
In
my
English.
in Indonesian and English.
Halo.
Halo, my name is Desta.
That's great.
Saya ibu 2 anak. Anak saya 2 laki-laki semua.
She has 2 beautiful children and they're so cute and she loves them. She's a beautiful mother. Yes. He's my father.
Just come to Semarang and to the for gado-gado. Get nasi goreng.
Oh, gado-gado nasi goreng, original gudeg.
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 No, gudeg. Gudeg.
Gudeg.
Yes, gudeg.
Gudeg.
No.
Bukan.
Bukan. Gudeg.
Gudeg.
No, gudeg.
Gudeg.
Oh.
Gudeg.
Ya, gudeg.
Gudeg.
Itu yang bagus. Katakan.
Karena aku boleh.
Bukan menertawakan kamunya. Do you like
I do like sati.
But it
I'm full. Aku kenyang.
Kamu mencoba apa aja makanan?
Yeah, I have. Yeah, everything. I tried all. I did one of this. I did one of this. I did one of this. I didn't do this because my teeth. I did that. This is my favorite with this sauce. These together.
What the name?
Coconut sauce.
Coconut what?
Oh no, what? Peanut sauce.
Peanut sauce.
Pachil.
Betul, yes, betul.
He's so excited.
But not same.
It's not peanut.
Yes, peanut, but satay and pecel is different taste.
So this is not the same as pachal.
Little bit same.
Spicy.
No spicy.
I was sick the last 3 days because the gongso, two padas. A little kid cook on the street, on Jalan, and he goes, padas? And I go, aku suka sangat padas sekali. And he goes, okay, put padas in it. He puts banyak padas in it.
Pedas,
My mouth can handle padas.
but your stomach no.
Aku tidak punya Indonesian stomach.
So you.
I don't have Indonesian stomach, so all the last 5 days just died. Aku meninggal. I'm still recovering now. My health, remember bike, sakaran, but Kamadin, terrible. Kamadin, terrible.
Tomorrow you eat pedas lagi.
No, I stay away from padas for a long time. Padas don't like me. I tell her about padas and my love for padas.
Pedas.
Pedas.
Dia makan bongso pedas men. Goblok banget ya, goblok.
Kamu malu? Selamat sukses.
Anda tinggal sini toh?
Apa?
Tinggal di sini, stay in here.
Yeah. Di sini keluarga.
Oh mau ini, itu my apa ya?
Your uncle stay here?
Ya. I am stay in Ranggen,
Oh, dekat.
kilometer.
Oh, okay. Bisa kah pergi rumah kamu?
Oh boleh.
Ya. Aku suka menyanyi.
Your number phone.
Boleh minta kamu nomor WhatsApp?
Ya.
Yeah. I'm so tired. Aku capek. That was fun.
A lot of people draining batteries.
My battery was already on 50%. Now I'm low power mode.
Battery habis.
My diarrhea is finally gone. Diarrhea has left the building. I repeat, diarrhea has left the building. I'm so happy right now. That's a great sign.
Boleh.
She's winning. Bye. I have exciting news.
What is that?
No more diarrhea.
Nice. Yay.
It's gone.
Too much information. Thank you.
Right, some Indonesian Uno, you know what I'm saying? With the homies. Shout out to the boy Alan for coming through the pad, you know what I'm saying? Again, always support. This the goat right here. It's the best man. Hey, goat, no goat, you know? But no lamb, because we eat lamb. We're not a part of the sheep. Legends. It's the goat. Go, no goat. Be safe out there. Jakatiri bike. Jakatiri bike.
Hati-hati.
Trauma.
Choi, what's wrong? What happened, Choi? Joy, we miss you. I hate when the party's over because it makes me sad and it makes me lonely.
Siapa namamu? Paulus. Udah Paulus.
Paulus. Autobots roll out. Wow. Next show, motor show. Nonton. Why you always laugh at me? Autobots, roll out. Whoa. Wow. And just like that, poof. What is up, y'all? We are back in business, finally. I was sick for about a week now. I'm just now starting to feel better. Finally feels good to get out there again. I'm about to go to a golf course with some homies, some Mormon homies. They invited me. Nana gonna be proud from, you know, me taking my range skills up here. Trying to get out there again, get some vitamin D. Like my little Airbnb situation, caught myself a little $30 per weekend Airbnb so I can get better, some AC. I'll show you guys what's good. All right, let's get it. Here's the ride with the golf course. Shout out, no pressure. Hey! What's good, homies? And I can tell it's hot out here, but it's nice right here actually. It's pretty nice. Good, man, good. Well rested. Yeah, I ate. I got a little grub in, you know what I'm saying? Hourly.
It's not hourly. It's just buy the balls. Just buy the balls because we're usually like.
Sweet.
We already broke a driver. Is it my turn now?
Broke a driver? How?
Well, Alan broke it. It was the. What'd you break? Yeah, it was the driver.
Oh.
I told him before, I'm like, dude, this like feels weird, and like the head was broken, and I was just like, yo.
Was it loose?
Yeah, I could feel it. Like something was weird. I kept like hitting it one way, and I was like, this doesn't usually happen.
You gotta open that club face, baby, right there. Langpangang.
Yeah.
Got my friends.
Out here.
My boys last few weeks here.
Was that crazy?
Hey, but shout out to No Pressure, month 2. Finally got him in the cast. We got the new cast member in Samarang. Dome. My other boys over there, sitting tight, nice. We got the crew picking up the balls for us. Not the same way
He said, let me go get my friends.
They weren't playing. Well, there's something about watching them, you know, pick up balls for us that is a little bit satisfying, knowing that the work is being done, you know? So do you think they go on top of the hills up there too? Like they have to climb the incline or?
Okay, Malcolm.
This feels nice.
We're out here. Bang. We out here in the Indonesian Gulf Range.
You know, it's crazy. I started off as a lefty swinger, but then I had to keep teaching myself how to swing right because I couldn't find many left-handed clubs. So
bro, I'm lefty.
Bang.
But I'm
Pure.
still lefty.
Boom. You don't have to pay for anything, just if you could like call it.
I got you.
Dude, thank you so much, Ben. You're so awesome. All right, let's see it. Up to the tee. Malcolm. Bang. There you go. Pure. Oh, nice.
All right, brothers.
Hey, God bless.
Well, super excited to meet you, Robin. Thank you for helping us out and helping us get this AC, because sleeping every night has been really hard. The mosquitoes, the numox have been just eating me alive. Going back and forth for a couple months thinking, oh, maybe I can last, maybe I can survive. I slept in an Airbnb this weekend. That Airbnb had an AC in it, and that taught me I need this. Troy has it. Troy sleeps like a baby every night. I need to sleep like a baby every night. This is not fair. I want to sleep like him. I might have to sleep with him next tomorrow if I don't get it. He doesn't want me sleeping in his bed. I am a big guy. I sleep diagonal. No, but I just want to give you a shout out. You know, this month's vlog, No Pressure. I really want to let everyone know what the process is like to get an AC in a home or in a house, how good it is in a hot city. For those of you in the US who live in 35, 40 degree weather, this is what you do. Take care of your health. take care of your panas. Buying an AC. So here we go now. This is hot. I need this AC so bad. We're about to pick one right now. We're about to pick it out. Alright guys, picked out the AC. A little more than what I wanted, but this is for my health, my wealth, and my good being. Gonna install it tomorrow, so should be good. Pretty cool store though. Never had to buy an external AC before, kind of crazy. I just bought half of these guys. The air is too panas.
Water is very hot.
Too hot. Wow. What is up, y'all? Had to document this marvelous moment of acquiring an AC for my room. But this is kind of crazy. Help me sleep at night. I said, what's up to my boy? Hi. Makasih, mas. Kamu senang, kamu luar biasa. You are so awesome. You know, this crazy work. I thought it was just gonna be kind of a simple installation. It doesn't look like so. They're putting that shit on top. I don't even know how they. Holy shit.
Dari mana?
Tebak. Kamu tebak.
Belanda.
Oh no, America. USA. Tempatnya California.
City.
San Diego, Santa Barbara, Los Angeles, Fresno, Merced. No one's ever heard of these cities. The last two. Thank you for your work. Thank you. You make my life better. Aku tahu kamu mau pulang. Diminta maaf. Minta maaf.
Okay. Yes.
He's like, I need to get the fuck out of here. Y'all, he's like, you're killing me.